All rise. Judge Vanderbeat Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1042, Stone case.
Thank you.
You welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Stone, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Okay, so basically, this is my twin sister. She dropped off her child to me about like 6 months ago, dropped her off saying that she was gonna come back, run to the store, and literally never came back. I've been taking care of her. I myself has 2 other kids as well. The little girl, her name is Karina.
Okay.
But Karina, so she...
How old is Karina?
She's 4 years old.
Okay.
Yeah. She's been getting sick a lot. I've been taking her to a doctor, but out of my pocket, it's been hard to take care of all that. And from what I hear, my sister over here has been up in the club, twerking, not taking care of her responsibilities. And not
This case is family drama on a whole new level. A twin sister claims she was just babysitting for a few hours, but 6 months later, she's still raising her niece. No sign of mom. No money. And a sick child to care for. Now she wants child support, but the mom? She laughs. Literally, this courtroom is about to break down in the messiest sibling showdown we've ever seen. Is this a case of abandonment or a misunderstanding blown way out of proportion? Stick around, because the judge is not letting anyone dodge accountability. This courtroom is doing what it needs to do.
doing what she needs to do.
Why is it funny?
I don't know.
When she finishes, then I will come to you. But there will be no laughing in here. Especially about what, don't be sorry, just don't do it. Right. Especially about what she just said, allegedly, that you're doing. You may continue.
But that's basically it. I'm here to request child support from her. That is my niece, and I do want her to, be okay, but I can't take care of her by myself.
Okay. All right. So, what's your name?
I'm Christina Stone.
Okay. All right, Christina. What do you have to say about what your sister said?
Basically, I just feel like we shouldn't even be here. We're sisters. This is a family matter. I don't even know why she even brought me here. I have tried to contact her, and for some reason, I have not been able to get a hold of her.
Wait a minute. Hold on 1 second. You seem to be upset.
Yes, I am very upset because she's over here.
She should be upset if what she says is true.
Hold up. She's laughing. Her sister just said she's been raising her child alone while the kid is constantly getting sick. And mom's reaction is to giggle. That's not just disrespectful, that's delusional. The judge shuts it down immediately, and rightfully so. This isn't funny. It's neglect. Be real. How would you react if a family member abandoned their kid like this?
That you left Karina with her after going to the store. Is that true?
And she hasn't even called me at all. That's a lie.
I've been trying to get a hold of her.
1 second. It's a yes or no. Is that true? Did you leave Karina? Okay. She should be the one upset. You left your daughter, have not come back. She's paying things out of pocket. Your daughter has health issues, and you're not giving her any type of financial assistance. She should be upset. I don't understand your attitude.
I understand, but we are blood, we are family. I am going through a lot myself.
What are you going through?
Well,
this is one of those moments where the truth cuts deep. Judge Vanderbeat checks her hard. If you dropped your daughter off and never came back, guess what? You gave up custody. But no papers needed, and now she's shocked someone's asking for support? Let's be clear. Child support isn't optional when someone else is raising your kid full-time. Real talk. Being blood doesn't erase legal responsibility.
My baby father in jail, so it's hard for me to really...
What he in jail for?
He got involved in some drugs, and
he's a deadbeat. He ain't taking care of nobody.
Oh, okay.
So basically, yeah, he got involved with some drugs. He ended up in the penitentiary, and...
How long has he been in there?
He's been in there for about 2 to 3 years, 2.5, something like that.
So he doesn't really know Karina then?
No.
Okay.
Unfortunately.
All right. Okay, and I see that Dad was served by way of you through the penitentiary system. So he was ordered you know, to not necessarily be here because he can't be here, but he is aware that this hearing is taking place today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, yeah, I understand that it's a family matter, but at the end of the day, she's still doing something she is not obligated to do. And you do need to pay her child support. You and dad both, but it wouldn't be right to put dad on child support today considering he's not here and he's in a penitentiary. Do you know how long he will be in there?
He has about 4 more years left.
Okay, so in 4 years, you guys can come back to court and then we can modify it. But as far as today, you are going to start paying her some child support.
Well, what if I just get the custody?
Here comes the excuse train. My baby daddy's in jail, so I can't help. But that's got nothing to do with abandoning your kid. Life gets hard, we get it, but being a parent means stepping up, not disappearing. Also, notice how she keeps shifting blame instead of showing any real concern for her child?
You ain't even taking care of her. What do you mean?
I could take care of my own child.
No, I've been seeing you out on Snapchat.
You two will just address me, okay? You never had custody from the sounds of it. If you dropped your daughter off and never went back, she has been in rightful custody of your daughter, not you. So I can't make her overturn that situation. I mean, she's been doing it. That's what's right. And what's right is that you should pay child support. You'd agree with me, right?
Well, I mean, I would eventually like to get my child back.
Well, that's fine eventually, but today, that's not what's gonna happen, okay? How much money do you make?
I make about 30 grand a year.
30 grand a year. Okay, what do you do?
I work for a retail store.
You get commission?
No, I do not.
Okay. Is that the truth? Because you kind of hesitated.
I mean, I have other endeavors and stuff, like, you know, side businesses.
Okay, but nothing that just generates a whole lot of money?
No.
Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. Do you have any other children?
I do not.
Okay. So your child support obligation will start today. And health insurance, do you know how much it would cost to add the child only?
So I had called around and they were quoting me about $500.
For that child only? Okay, if that child is, you said you have 2 other children? Mm-hmm. So it's 2 other children, it'll be you and then Karina.
Yes,
so it'll be
ma'am.
4 people. How much would it be total for your insurance?
So for all of us, I think they said like $1,300.
$1,300. Oh, health insurance is so expensive. Mm-hmm. So what I can do is divide it by 4. So individually, each person would be $325. So that would be the coverage that you will reimburse to your sister. Okay? In addition to child support. So you said you have 1 child. I have your gross at $2,500 monthly, which brings your net to $2,146.92, and you have 1 child. That brings your child support obligation to $429 plus.
He really tried to dodge child support by asking to just get custody back. Girl, you ghosted your daughter for half a year to no calls, no check-ins, and now you want to play mom again because money's involved. The judge ain't buying it. She breaks down exactly why the sister has de facto custody, and that legally matters.
The health insurance at $325, your monthly obligation is $754 a month. You can roll your eyes all you want to. I'm really not bothered by that. Right is right and wrong is wrong. And based on what your sister said and based on your own admission, you're in the wrong, and it's only right that you pay her child support as well as health insurance so your daughter can get her health issues taken care of. Anything I said confuse you?
I understand.
Okay. Well, do you have any questions for me?
I don't.
Okay. Do you have any other questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
So here's the final ruling. Christina is paying $754 a month, $429 in child support plus $325 toward health insurance, and the judge made one thing crystal clear. Right is right and wrong is wrong. This wasn't just about money, it was about accountability. Her sister stepped up as a parent when no one else did. Now the law is making sure she's not doing it alone. Was justice served here? Or should custody have been reconsidered too? If this case had you yelling at your screen, drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more. Real courtroom chaos every single week.